Hey everyone, before we get this video started, I did want to tell you we have more merchandise that you can purchase to help support the channel. We have more motorsport shirts, stickers, more motorsport stickers, and Texas Honda Channel merchandise as well. Email us at texashondachannel@gmail.com and tell us what you want. We can send you some pictures so you know what you're getting, and all that information will be done over the email. So we'll get started on this video. What's going on, everyone? So I cleaned this up a little bit. I'll put some clips in right here for you. So yeah, it's definitely a lot cleaner. We still have to go through, remove all the lines. This is really gross, so I'm gonna let that soak in Purple Power because that's what I use. And I need a pressure washer, which I don't have currently, but as you can see, it's starting to get cleaner there, and that was just lightly scrubbing on it with some Purple Power. So I'm gonna have to remove all this stuff, which we will be doing in probably the next video. I will be painting these wheels. I'm thinking about keeping the lip silver or aluminum look. But the insides, I think I'm just gonna go gloss white, and if I don't like it, I'll just sell the wheels. It's whatever. I have another set of wheels that I want in mind. We got the racing seat in. It's not mounted or anything, I just set it in there. I think it's gonna look pretty good. I just got to get some brackets for the bottom section down there because the factory seat rails, they didn't work like it did on my EF. On my EF hatch, I was able to use the bottom seat rails and just bolt the racing seats up to it. So I'm gonna probably have to just get the bracket. I think the last thing on my list of things to do after the engine's in and stuff is this. I might like sand it all down and prime it right here or something so that it's not as bad and starting to rust. But yeah, this is definitely one of the main focuses on the end project before the paint, obviously. So we're gonna remove the bumper most likely in the next video as well. So definitely be staying tuned for that. I wanna see the damage down there and remove the bumper support, which is the crash bar or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the hood cleaned up pretty well, which I have video of me cleaning that. I'm gonna show you how clean this thing can get. We'll go ahead and rinse it off as well, but this is just to kind of show how dirty this car is and how good Purple Power works. Cleaned up pretty nice, has pretty good look to it now. Obviously the underside of the hood turned out really well. I still have some spots to do. I'm gonna sand it all down before we paint the hood yellow, and I'm gonna wipe all the inside down with acetone. So that'll be another project for another video, but I will be painting this underside hood gloss yellow to match the outside for whenever it's gloss yellow. That down there was definitely pretty nasty. I just lightly scrubbed it and it washed up pretty well, but we still have some work to do. The fenders that I had over here, that one's a 98 fender, that's a 99 to 2000, that one's a 99 to 2000, and the front bumper and grill 99 to 2000, so I can't even use those. I don't want to do the 99 to 2000 front end like everyone else does. I don't have a problem with the 98, so I'll just get new fenders and front bumper and stuff like that. But yeah, we have some work definitely cut out for us. We are going to focus on getting a wheel hub on here. That way we can actually roll the car, because right now we have to have a jack under the center of the subframe to be able to move it back and forth on the concrete. That's kind of a main focus that we need to work on. But we will be removing all that stuff, so you'll see that in the next video. Washing this thing up a little bit just to kind of make it look better, see what all needs to replace, because it's so dirty you couldn't even tell. But everything's looking pretty decent besides that quarter panel, so I think we got a good deal out of this. So we're definitely gonna have a lot of work to do though. Racing seat still got to go in. Have it just sitting on my lawn chair thing, so it's a really comfy seat. But yeah, I have some parts for sale. I just created a group on Facebook. If you want to be in the group, it's called Texas Honda Channel Buy Sell Trade. It'll say Central Texas and have a picture of my white EF with green wheels. You can add yourself to the group if you want. Share it with your friends. If you know anybody in Central Texas area that has Honda parts for sale or trade, or they just looking to buy some stuff, then have them get in the group. No drama, no hate, none of that crap. You'll get instantly banned. I don't care. So just keep it respectful, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Texas Honda Channel. Definitely follow, because I'll be posting pictures before the videos go out, so you'll get a kind of a sneak peek at what's happening in the next video. So definitely do that. Definitely hit the like button on this video. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. We got a lot of stuff coming still, so I'm pretty stoked to get this done. So definitely subscribe if you haven't. Turn bell notification on. We'll see you in the next video.